To reach net zero emissions by 2050, we must change the way we heat our homes. We will need to replace gas boilers with low-carbon heating systems such as air source heat pumps. Air source heat pumps absorb heat from the air outside into a fluid called a refrigerant. As the refrigerant circulates inside the heat pump, it is compressed, which increases the temperature. This then provides heating and hot water to your home. Air source heat pumps can extract heat from air temperatures as low as -15 degrees Celsius, providing heating and hot water all year round. The only electricity used by the heat pump is to run the compressor and circulating pump. This allows it to transfer more heat into your home than it takes to run, making it more efficient than a gas boiler. Switching to an air source heat pump will lower your carbon emissions and could lower your fuel bills too. Find out how Home Energy Scotland can help you install a heat pump on the Home Energy Scotland website.